In example 2, we need to tell whether the angles are complementary or supplementary again, and then we have to find the value of x. So we know that we have to add these two together. We got x in there. So what we have to do is the two angles make up a right angle, so the angles are complementary angles, and the sum of their measures is 90. So we know that this is 90 because of that square. So knowing that, I can add the two of them together and say, yep, it equals 90. So now this is just a two-step equation. We have an adding of 36 we need to take away, and then we need to divide by 4. So here's my adding or subtracting of 36 over here is 54, and that leaves 4x. Now I have to divide by 4 on both sides, and then of course I can do that on the calculator to get 13.5 would be my x. Again, you can double check by throwing that back into the equation, multiplying and adding your 36. These two form a straight line, so we know that they're supplementary because a straight line is 180 degrees. So because they're supplementary, we can add them together and equal 180. So we take my x plus my x minus 4 is going to equal 180. So now I can just drop the parentheses because it's adding, and so I'll have 2x minus 4 equals 180. Now it's just a two-step equation. I'm going to add my 4 and divide by 2. So when I add by 4, I'll have 184, and then I'm going to divide by 2, and my calculator is going to give me 92. So x is equal to 92. So when you know it's a 90-degree angle, you can add them together to make 90. When you know it's a straight line, it's 180 and they're supplementary. You can add them together to make 180, and then of course you can solve your equation to get your x. If you think you understand these two problems, you'll be able to click next to try some on your own.